Hello students, welcome to the next topic of EVS. So we were doing our lesson number 3, cleanliness. Today now I am going to discuss with you the next topic of the chapter, and the topic of the chapter is healthy eating habits. So there are certain eating habits which are essential to keep us neat and clean and healthy. So here are some fill in the blanks I am going to discuss with you. We should wash our dash before and after eating our food. We wash our hands before and after eating our food to make our hands germs and dust free. In this way we can keep ourselves neat and clean. Number 2, we should eat from clean plates and drink from clean glasses. Utensils which we are using to eat and drink water, the utensils should be neat and clean. Then only we can keep ourselves neat and clean and healthy. We should eat more of fresh fruits and vegetables. As you know that fresh fruits and vegetables are very good for our health because they are rich in different kinds of vitamins and minerals, and they keep us healthy. So we should eat more and more fresh fruits and vegetables. We should eat less of junk food like pizza, burger and chocolates. These all are the junk foods like chips, pizza, burger, chocolates, ice creams. Students, as you know that these are very tasty. When you eat them you feel that it is very tasty, but it is not good for our health. So we should eat less of junk food. You can eat it, but you should eat it in a less amount, not too much. Okay. Now to dash at least 8 glasses of water every day. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Water is also very essential for our health. Okay, so we should drink at least 8 glasses of water, not at a time, but 2 glasses in the morning, 2 glasses in the afternoon, 2 glasses in the evening and 2 glasses in the night time. So in this way you should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Now students, in this slide you can see here are some junk food and here are some healthy food also. So you can see what are junk food. These french fries, all kinds of chips, burger, pizza, chocolates, these all are the junk food which is not good for our health. And you can see healthy food, different kinds of fruits and vegetables, soup, milk. This is healthy food, so we should eat healthy food, not junk food. Now I am going to discuss with you some table manners. These are the manners that one follow while dining with others at the dining table. When we sit on the dining table to finish our food, there are certain rules which we should follow, and these are called table manners. So here are some table manners. Number 1, we should eat our food slowly. Okay, we should eat our food very slowly. We should chew it properly and then we should swallow it. We should chew our food well and slowly. Chewing properly is very necessary. If we will not chew our food properly, our tummy can hurt. We can feel stomachache. So we should first chew our food properly. In this way, we will feel better. We should not talk while eating. While eating, talking is a very bad habit because food can stuck in our windpipe and it can trouble us. We should not make sounds with our mouth while eating, and when we eat our food we should not make sounds because these sounds doesn't seem good, and in this way it can disturb other people. So we should chew our food slowly, and we should not make sound with our mouth. So students, you have to take care of these table manners and you have to follow them. Now you can see there are the pictures of of table manners. In the first picture you can see these two children are sitting on the table. They are having their food but they are talking. So this is a bad habit. They should not talk while eating. So this is not a good table manner. In the next picture you can see this girl is sitting properly in a right posture and she is quietly eating her food. So this is a good table manner. In this picture, in the third picture, you can see this boy is food with both of his hands and he is eating very fastly. So it is not a good table manner because he is eating very fastly and the food can stuck in his windpipe. So this is not a good table manner. In the next row you can see this girl is sitting properly. She is having her food properly, so she is showing good table manner. In the next picture you can see this girl is moving here and there while eating. So this is not a good table manner. She should properly and she should finish her food. So this is also not a good table manner. In the last picture you can see this girl is taking her plate. After finishing your food, you should also take your plate from the table. This is a very good table manner. In this way you can help your parents to clean your house. Okay students, now moving on the next slide, you can see there are two pictures in the slide, good table manners and bad table manners. In good table manners you can see this girl, she is sitting properly and she is praying before having her meal. So we should respect our food and we should be thankful to God to have our food. Okay, so and we should take that much of food in our plate which we can finish easily. On the other hand, in this picture you can see this girl is playing with her food. She is not eating properly, she is playing with her food. This is very bad habit. Food, okay, food is very precious thing. We should respect our food. So you should also follow these table manners. You should not play with your food. You should eat properly. Okay, in this way you can respect your food. Now students, in this chapter I discussed with you how we have to clean ourselves, what are the habits which make us neat and clean, and what are the table manners, what are the healthy eating habits I discussed with you. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.